Mr. Sam Lucky. I'm working in the COVID-19 unit, and I have a patient to attend to this morning. Patient named Jessica Kamara, aged 39 years old, is 62 kg. Current vitals are temperature 36.8, pulse is 82, respiration is 38 breath per circle, her BP is 170, and oxygen saturation is 97%. Her diagnosis is COVID-19, but she has cough. So first of all, I have to introduce myself to my patient. Good morning, Miss Jessica. Good morning. How was your night? Did you sleep well? I understood of late that you have been coughing. So I'm here to give you some management this morning. Is that okay by you? Thank you. So I have to start with positioning of my patient, because the patient with cough might have difficulties in breathing if the patient is lying down flat. So therefore I have to give some extra support to the bed, or increase the bed to 45 degrees. Excuse me. Miss Jessica, you okay this way? Alright. I have to help my patient because she's having cough, so I need to help her with some natural ingredients with regards preparation. I have to give her time and mix up with tea for her to inhale. So in that regards, I'll be needing hot water. Good morning, Mr. Good morning. Sorry about your cough. So because of your cough, we have some natural herbs this morning that I'm going to prepare that will help you to remove the secretions, but also help the cough to be productive. Yeah, Jessica, this is thyme powder that you are going to use into the hot water, and these clothes will be used to cover your head whilst you bow your head on top of the hot water, so that you'll be able to inhale the fume. So I need a bowl and hot water. Therefore, I pour some hot water and the spice from the water. Yeah? So this is thyme and hot water. Yeah? So when I place the thyme and hot water towards you, you are going to bow your head and inhale, but you are going to close your eyes.
Okay.
So you have to help me. So you bow your head like this, close your eyes, and I'll cover you a bit.
Okay.
Remove your mask, please. Okay. Yeah. Close your eyes.
Eyes closed.
Inhaled. You alright, Miss Jessica?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You need to use some breathe.
Yes, please.
Okay. Miss Jessica, How are you? Are you feeling better a bit this morning? Thank you for being cooperative all this while. So because of your cough symptoms this morning, we want to do some nursing procedures or nursing interventions to get you relief from the cough, and also so that your dry cough will be productive and you have the secretions out. So therefore we'll be preparing some wet compress and apply them on your chest. So we also need your cooperation. Is that okay by you? Okay, thank you. So I need a bowl and hot water. Therefore I pour some hot water. Also I need like 2 towels, 3 towels in general, but 2. So this one is what I'm going to use. I'm going to soak this one in this hot water. It's warm, it's warm. Dry it a bit. Must have neutrally. Yeah. Jessica, so I'm here for the procedure that I told you. I need to expose the guest a little bit. Can I? Okay, thank you. Hope last night was good. Okay. And you ate well also. You'll be fine. So it's a bit warm, but you are going to encourage it for 20 minutes. It will help you briefly. Really warm. Okay. So yeah. Okay. You alright? Okay. Okay. It seems it's okay now. I have to remove the towel and cover you and later bring the medications. You alright? Put your clothes on. Okay. I will be back with your medications, right? Okay. In summary, nursing procedures was done for patient and it was successful. Patient was compliant with regards all what I did. All procedures are recorded as per patient chart. Thank you.